This question is taken from class 10 trigonometry. The question is, prove that 1 by sine 2a plus cos 4a by sine 4a is equal to cot a minus cosec 4a. We have to prove cot a minus cosec 4a. Let's take our LHS. 1 by sine 2a plus cos 4a by sine 4a. Now 1 by sine 2a means sine 2a plus cos 4a. Okay, sine 4a. In the place of sine 4a we can write sine 2 into 2a. Now you can see here 1 by sine 2a plus cos 4a by sine 2a. In the place of a or in the place of theta, here is 2a, so we have to write the formula of sine 2 theta. 2 sine theta cos theta. In the place of theta, here is 2a, so 2 sine 2a cos 2a. We can write up to here. Now after this we have to take LCM. What is the LCM here? LCM means first of all we have to take common, and after that remaining. You can see here sine 2a is common, and what is remaining? 2 cos 2a. So we can write directly 2 sine 2a cos 2a is the LCM. Now we have to divide the denominator. When you divide this sine 2a and sine this denominator, when you divide this to denominator, what is cancelled? Sine 2a remaining 2 cos 2a multiply by 1. So we can write 2 cos 2a plus. Now when we have to divide the denominator. When you divide this to, what is remaining? 2 and 2 cancel, sine 2a cancel, cos 2a cancel, nothing is remaining. It means 1 into cos 4a, we got cos 4a. Hope you understand up to here. Now 2 cos 2a plus, now we have to use the formula of cos 4a, and the formula of cos 4a is 2 cos square 2a minus 1 by 2 sine 2a cos 2a. You can see here how we use this formula. Cos 4a, cos 4a means we can write cos 2 into 2a. Now this is in the form of cos 2a or cos 2 theta. What is the formula? 2 cos square theta. Theta means what is here? 2a minus 1. In the place of theta, here is 2a, so 2 cos square theta. Theta means 2a minus 1, so we used here. Hope you understand up to here. Now we have to take common and separate. In those two terms, what is the common? 2 cos 2a, and what is remaining here? 1 plus cos 2a minus 1 by 2 sine 2a cos 2a. We cannot cancel this 2 because here is minus, so first of all we have to separate. Now if you separate, what we get? Keep watching till last. 2 cos 2a, 1 plus cos 2a by 2 sine 2a cos 2a minus 1 by 2 sine 2a cos 2a. Hope you understand up to here. Now we can cancel this one. You can see here 2 and 2 we can cancel, cos 2a we can cancel. What is remaining here? 1 plus cos 2a by sine 2a minus 1 by, now denominator you can see here in the form of 2 sine 2a cos 2a. This is in the form of 2 sine theta cos theta. In the place of theta, here is 2a, 2 sine theta cos theta, so we can write sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta, in the place of theta, what is here? 2a, so we have to write here 2a is equal to, now what we have to prove? Cot means cos by sine, so here we have to use cos formula. So 1 plus, what is the formula of cos 2a? In the form of cos 2 cos square a minus 1 by sine 2a formula, 2 sine a cos a minus 1 by sine 2 into 2 4a. Now you can see 1 and 1 cancel and remaining 2 cos square a by 2 sine a cos a minus 1 by sine. 1 by sine means what? Cosec. So 1 by sine 4a means cosec 4a. Now you can see here 2 and 2 cancel, here cos square a and here is cos a. So square and cos cancel. What is remaining here? Cos a by sine a minus cosec 4a. Cos by sine means cot. Cos by sine means cot. So cot a minus cosec 4a. RHS proved. We have what we have to prove here? Cot a minus cosec 4a. We have cot a minus cosec 4a. Hope you understand this question related with trigonometry which I took from class 10. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button so you will get the notification of upcoming videos. If you understand this question, then please hit the like button and don't forget to share with your friends. Sharing is caring, so please share with your friends. Thank you so much. Keep in touch, keep supporting.